What's up, party people? Welcome back to Skagg's Garage. Hey, do you remember the last time I had that Infiniti in here, the QX60, and we did a chrome delete? In doing so, I found a cracked front view camera. It lives right underneath the front Infiniti emblem. And Woman Skagg has said she didn't have a picture on it, and in examining it closely, it's cracked. Puh, who knew? I don't know what she's out there doing on the road. All I know is my dad used to say you can't have nothing. So we're going to walk through removing the camera and replacing it with an eBay special. Because if you ever price those, trust me, you go to eBay first. So come along for the ride. Trim fastener removal tool. Get you some. Hey, I hate doing voiceovers, but I felt the need to jump in here because I'm just going about my work, which this YouTube thing's a little new to me, so I felt the need to jump in here and explain to you what I'm doing. That top trim piece has to come off for you to get behind the grill. And behind the grill and behind the Infiniti logo is where the camera lives. I'm going to throw up an exploded view here. And if you look, you'll see the picture of the camera, and the big opening is where the grill is that it doesn't show, but they're behind, right behind the Infiniti logo. There are two torque screws holding the camera in. Okay. Torque screw. I have one in my toolbox. Come on. I'm thinking it's either this size, it's a T20, or perhaps smaller, but T19 perhaps. We'll see. Come on. It's the smaller T19, I believe. And if it's any smaller, that's it. Pray to God I don't drop that screw. One, put it in my pocket, and two. Now it takes a little patience for this because the hardest thing that you have to do is to unplug that connector from the harness. Once you have it unplugged and moved out of the way, take the two torque screws out. With a little finesse, you can get the camera right out. And then the installation is the reverse of the uninstallation. And two. Put that one in my pocket as well. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. There we go. Out with the old. And I don't know if you can see the crack that's in there. Yes. It's right down the center. I think Woman Skagg was behind a gravel truck. Following too closely. You know how you're supposed to stay the 500 feet back? She drives fast. Okay, in with the new one. Put the camera back in, 2 screws. And I used a couple of zip ties to just kind of pull the harness up out of the way. And that was it. Easy peasy. Yup and easy. George and Wheezy. Okay, the installation is the reversal of the uninstallation. I tickled myself. Line up your holes and put your fasteners back in. Sometimes you need an assistant for this to do the menial tasks. Menial. Okay, the camera's installed, the connectors are connected, and this was a used camera, so we're gonna check to make sure that it works. How do I look? Look good. All right, fire in the hole. All right, engine running, Infiniti, flux capacitor fluxing. There we are, front camera. We should have got a before picture. That's pretty bad. Okay, we're good.